What's up, everybody? We're going to do another video where I'm going to be showing off one of my favorite, or all of my favorite Nerf guns. So let's just get right to it. I don't have time because I don't know. I just want to get this video over with. This is my first one. We painted it. My brother painted this one. I painted another one. It's kind of broke because that's not supposed to do that. It doesn't do it right now. Good. Dang it. That's how I reload it. I go like that. I flip it out. And then go. This is what happens. Go over. See? Next weapon. This isn't a weapon, but it's really my class. My favorite class that I use. And this is what I put stuff that I found on the ground or interesting. That's what I put it in. Just in case I'm playing at night. Mega Big Shot. Yeah, the name might be backwards to you. I have no idea. I don't think it should. Okay, next. This is actually the clip of my Modulus that I'm also showing out in this video. Don't have any ammo for it. I lost it all. Here's the stock that I use on it. It's an elite stock. I know this isn't a real Nerf sword. I play by myself because my brother doesn't play with me. It's the sword I use. Here is my favorite of them all, and the biggest. The Modulus. Didn't even fit on the camera. Oh, one more gun too. Probably bigger than the Modulus. I put stickers on it because why not. It is a Nerf Sniper. The scope is over there. Like, you find the gun, you can see the scope. Holds 4 darts in the stock. One in the chamber. Let me pull it out. One in the chamber. And yeah, that is all for today's video. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Let's try and hit 10 likes this video. That's right, 10. And I will see you guys all later.